Okay, next video, folks, because Sarah had to have something to eat, her chips. Okay, here we go. Let's try to get out of here. Right up against the tree, so let's see. Right up against that tree. Oh, we're gonna cut it. Beckon wants to get going. Come on. There, we got it. All right. All right, we're set now. As we go flying down here, because can't get the wheels to catch up there. So we're just sliding. All right, looks like we're okay. Spun it around and down we go. All right, I'll see y'all next week, folks. Just too much ice underneath the snow. Not safe. We're not going to wreck any more vehicles. All right, Sarah, tell everyone thanks for watching.